Summer Girl here for another unboxing, this time of the Stickii Club Cute pack for the month of November 2022. Normal reminder, I'm visually impaired. I use my reader glasses and the zoom on my camera to be able to see fine details. If you see anything that I've missed or I've gotten wrong, go ahead, throw it down in the comments. I don't mind. Okay, no spoilers, so I have no idea even the theme. Ah, there we go. Get a sneak peek while I check to make sure there's nothing in the envelope, and there is not. If you remember, this is $11 a month, I believe. Yes. If I got that wrong, it's in the description box. It is $11 a month for a bunch of stickers and some stationery items and some cool stuff. Okay, now, if you remember, each month that you get is not for the month it comes in. It's actually for the month afterwards. So this is November's, but it's actually for December, and you can tell because we can already tell there's Christmas stuff. And what is that beeping? All right, here's our theme sticker, which you can use on anything you want, or you could put it down in the corner here to tell you which sticker pack this is. Let me give it a zoom. All right, we got the night before, which I'm gonna guess is the night before Christmas. Oh, look at the cute little, is it a cow? It's a cow, and it's holding a carrot. Oh my God, that's so cute. A big stuffed carrot. And there's treats and whatnot. Oh my goodness. I love the, it's got like stripes going down it too. So the night before Christmas. It just says the night before, but you know. All right. Here in our additional pocket, it looks like we got another, I thought it was a vinyl sticker. What are you? Oh, is it a bookmark? Look at that. It's not a sticker. It looks like a bookmark. Hold on. Not really sure if that's a bear. Could be a mouse. Maybe a mouse up the tree. Oh, this is wonderful. I wish I could still read traditional books. You know, you could put this in your diary too to like denote the pages. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. That is very sweet. I like that. All right. Last item on the front here seems to be a booklet. I'm thinking it's another sticker book. We've gotten one before. Here's the back. Yeah, it's got slick pages, so it's definitely going to be a sticker book. So like if you wanted to keep like holiday stickers or any stickers that you like. We got a cute little cow on here who has a tree on its back, kind of like Bulbasaur. It's adorable. Merry Christmas. Merry Cowmas. Oh, back says ho 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 like Santa Claus. Aww. There we go. There's the Instagram for the artist. Yeah, the pages are slick. Like, you know, you could put like stickers on them. Oh, this is so adorable. I love this. All right, let's get to the stickers in the back here. Put that off to the side. So it looks like we got 4 see-through sheets, 3 solid sheets, and whatever this is, I'm thinking maybe it's either a card or I'm thinking maybe a card because that looks like an envelope. Cute little bear here with a candy cane. Looks like he's ice skating. Yeah. Feels. Oh, okay. It's a blank card. You could write whatever you'd like inside of it. That is so adorable. I know exactly who I'm sending this to. Is this the maker's mark? Even if it's not. And the best part is it came with an envelope. So you could send it out. It's in plastic, that's all. It's very trafficky outside today. I love that. Thank you. Oh my God, Stickii Club. They really went out for this one. Really did for the cute pack. All right, let's get into the stickers. Okay, I'm going to show the solid ones first. These look very cute, and I think they're the cow ones, if I can see it properly. Yes, these are the cow ones. So cute. Strawberry cow, you make me go wow every time you call my name. TikTok, don't take my video down. La, 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 la. All right. Next one here. Okay, this goes along with our bookmark, but the thing is, though, I don't know why it keeps fuzzing up like that, is it a cat or a mouse? I want to say it's a mouse, but it's very cute. Very, very cute. Branding. The branding looks familiar, like we've seen that before. Last solid sheet here. Looks like a bear. Very adorable. I don't know why my voice is this low today. Any Aww, they're not sparkly, but that tree looks cute. Does that tree have a face? It does. These are cute though. No, they're not sparkly. I thought they were because they do kind of look like they would be. Okay, so I'm going to use the back of one of the solid sheets for the clear sheets, just so you can see them properly. It's very staticky. This seems to be like little small stickers. You could use these to like seal up the back of an envelope or something, or just decorate a very nice card, such as the one we got, perhaps. Like the decorate the envelope for the card. Another one that is see-through that I'm using the white background for. Looks like the bear from the front of the card, maybe? That tree's got a face too. I love when things that aren't supposed to have faces. Look at all these little itty bitty stickers. So tiny. I'm telling you, I love when things that aren't supposed to have faces. Okay, there is our artist's mark. I like the little house. That's very cute. This one here seems to be a little itty bitty. I love when we get little itty bitties because they're really good for like marking things. Just a bunch of me babbling. All right, these are super small, super cute. I think they're pandas and bunnies. This is a little bit bigger one. And these are probably made, yep, by an artist at Stickii Club. Which doesn't mean that they're any less good. Usually they are really good. But I wish we knew who they were. Maybe they have an artist page somewhere. And here is the last clear sheet. I'm sorry, but is that a shrimp? Is this a shrimp celebrating Christmas? Please tell me this is a shrimp. No one's getting these. These are mine. Oh my goodness. This reminds me of Ebifu from Sumiko Garashi, which is a San X character made by the people who made Sanrio stuff. Look at them living their best life. Little I'm sorry, I'm laughing so much. That's adorable. Who made this? Who are you? Maria Doodles? Maria Doodles? Is this like is this little shrimpy your mascot? I am gonna go find you on Instagram. That was a delight to have for the last one. Oh my goodness, what do we think about this? I am super duper happy. Okay, I'm not generally a Christmas person, but I do enjoy like the things that people do for Christmas and the different designs they do, especially something like that. And I really appreciate everything that came this month. So thank you for coming to my unboxing, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.